Welcome back, crafters! Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for every sewing enthusiast out there. Get ready to elevate your quilting game with the best rotary cutter and mat combo on the market. Introducing the rotary cutter set in a charming shade of pink from Honey's Heaven. This comprehensive quilting kit includes everything you need to tackle your sewing projects with precision and ease. Let's break it down. First up, we have the 45mm fabric cutter, crafted with high-quality SKS7 steel blades. These blades are razor sharp, making light work of cutting through fabric, paper, denim, and more. Say goodbye to jagged edges and hello to clean, precise cuts. But wait, there's more. This set comes with a self-healing cutting mat, ensuring durability and longevity. Made from 5-ply material, this mat provides a sturdy and reliable surface for all your cutting needs. Plus, it's double-sided for maximum versatility. Safety first. The ergonomic handle features an adjustable screw system for optimal blade stability and control. Plus, with built-in safety locks, you can rest assured that accidents are kept at bay. Your fingers will thank you. But that's not all. This kit comes fully loaded with extras, including 5 replacement blades, an acrylic ruler, and craft clips. With all these tools at your disposal, you'll be unstoppable in your crafting endeavors. So, if you're ready to take your quilting to the next level, look no further than the rotary cutter set from Honey's Heaven. Trust me, your future projects will thank you. Until next time, happy crafting! Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and recommendations. See you next time.